Hi guys, welcome back to my enemy video. Today I'll be introducing smart gadgets to protect you from COVID-19 and help you get through the pandemic. Number 1. A high quality air purifier with HEPA filter could trap the COVID-19 virus inside the filter because the size of COVID-19 is 0.1 micron in diameter. Dyson's HEPA H13 filter is 99.95% effective at removing particles down to the size. Also, I can use voice control to operate the purifier without the need to touch it. It is integrated with smart home routine. You can find my other videos on my channel regarding the smart bedroom. Let me demonstrate how voice control my purifier. Turn on the purifier.
Okay.
Change fan speed to 2 on purifier.
Okay.
Turn on auto.
Okay.
Turn off oscillator.
Okay.
Turn off the purifier.
Okay.
Number 2. UV lamp. Air purifiers can help reduce the virus in the air. However, by itself alone is insufficient. Therefore, you can add a UV lamp to kill more viruses in the room. UV means ultraviolet lighting, which is light with a wavelength between 200 and 280 nanometers. It can kill viruses. Keep in mind that some UV light can be harmful to your skin. Therefore, I bought the one that will automatically turn off when sensing people's appearance. Number 3. Smart thermostat. According to the health expert, viruses hit big in winter when the humidity is low. On the other hand, high humidity makes the virus too heavy to remain in the air. This causes them to fall to the ground and dramatically reduce the infection rate. Smart thermostats with humidity sensors can help regulate the air humidity levels within the home. It is better to control the humidity over 45% to reduce the risk of virus infection. If the sensors detect low humidity, it will trigger another machine to turn on and increase humidity to the target level. If it has more than 2 zones, you can put a non-smart thermostat sensor to each zone and replace control panel to smart model with voice control. If you have a split air conditioner, then you can use different model, and I'll do another video to explain the details. Number 4. Smart Diffuser. When a smart thermostat detects the room humidity drop below 45%, my smart home will automatically turn on the diffuser to increase the humidity and stop it when it reaches the target. I can also control it by voice command. Turn on the diffuser.
Okay.
Change the diffuser color to yellow.
Okay.
Change the diffuser color to blue.
Okay.
Set high on the diffuser.
Okay.
Set low on the diffuser.
Okay.
Turn off the light of the diffuser.
Okay.
Turn off the diffuser.
Okay.
Number 5. Clothes cleaner. When I arrive home, the first thing I do is to hang my clothes inside the clothes cleaner. The machine will shake the clothes and steam it to kill viruses and remove dust. You can also press the pans with a built-in hot iron board. Both LG and Samsung announced that their machines could sanitize clothes and masks. Number 6. Smart toilet seat. When I come closer to my toilet, it will automatically open the cover for me to sit down. I can also use voice command to open both the toilet seat and the cover, so I can use them when standing without the need to dirty my hands. In terms of how to integrate a toilet seat into a smart home by voice control and smartphone control, I'll do another video next time to explain the details. Generally speaking, you need a smart home consultant to design suitable products and interface them together. When I leave the toilet, the sensor automatically triggers the UV sterilizer to kill all viruses. This gadget will reduce your touch point on potential viruses. 7. Smart tap. I'm demonstrating the smart tap with a sensor so you can wash your hands without touching the water switch. You can ask the plumber to run water from the ceiling during a house renovation. If you cannot change the plumbing, you can upgrade the existing tap by adding a smart gadget on top. There are solutions for voice control water in the shower as well. I'll do another video to explain the details. Number 8. Smart light switches. Light switches are one of the most touched surfaces in your home. By switching your traditional switches to smart ones, you can control them with voice or phone. That way, you don't have to touch them as often. Let me show you mine. Turn off the light. Over here's the same light switch in the show, but we have made it voice control. Number 9. Gesture light. You can upgrade your light by gesture control, like the one in the video. You turn it on, off, and dim it by gesture. Number 10. Gesture switches. Use gestures in front of a light switch to turn on multiple lights with no contact with the switch surface. By the way, this product is only available in Canada at the moment. Number 11. Voice control TV. COVID-19 virus can survive on the surface of a TV remote control for days. You don't know who touched it before. There are many different ways to add voice control function to your TV. It depends on your model of your TV and what you watch. I'll do another video to explain how to. Let me demonstrate how I use my voice to change my TV channel to 24 to 23.
TV channel to 23. Let's take a look.
Turn off the TV. Number 12. Smart lock. COVID-19 virus can live on stainless steel for 3 days, so a push-to-open door with smart lock can avoid touch points. For example, August smart lock can open the lock automatically when you approach your door by sensing the proximity of your smartphone using Bluetooth technology. Install a door closer like the hotel to make sure it will securely lock the door behind you. Number 13. Facial recognition lock. Use your face as the keyless entry, but this technology is not available in all countries due to local laws and culture. Number 14. Smart blind. The smart blind can use voice control to open and close it. I have this in my room and I'll show you now. Number 15. Smart window opener. A smart window opener will let in fresh air in the house, normally after the smart blind opens to let in the sun in. These two smart devices work seamlessly together to automate the morning routine. Number 16. Phone sanitizer. When you go out or do anything else, most people always carry their phone around. And we touch that a lot. That means it also carries a lot of germs. So when we use our phone sanitizer, it will clean it for us for the next day. Number 17, Amazon Virtual Assistant. Virtual Assistant can answer my questions about COVID-19 protection and the latest news of the pandemic. You can also trigger the routine to get all my smart gadgets to work together. I have multiple virtual assistant devices in my house. Number 18, Door Sensor. With a door sensor, my smart home will remind me to bring a mask and hand sanitizer when I'm leaving the house. Number 19, Motion Sensor. The motion sensor will automatically turn LED lights under the stairs and light up walls and ceiling lights when I'm going downstairs. I will also adjust the air quality of each room according to my location. Number 20, Smart Fridge. You can also enable voice commands in the Samsung Smart Fridge. It can provide healthy meal plans and let you order groceries. You can also ask the fridge where is the nearest COVID-19 test center. Where can I test for COVID-19?
I found a few ones. COVID-19 testing site, 2.1 kilometers away. COVID-19 testing site, 2.1 kilometers away.
Number 21, Robot Cleaner. You should consider buying a robot with super suction power, supersonic mopping, auto dust emptying for up to 7 weeks, auto mop cleaning, auto refilling of water, and voice control.